Okay, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial about a few different things in Zoom. All right, so the first thing is that you can toggle between speaker view and gallery view. So speaker view would show you who's talking, and gallery view will show you everybody who is in the Zoom meeting. Another thing you can do is hover over a video, click these three dots, and then pin that video if you just want to see one video. Like for instance, if I'm teaching something, you might want to pin my video so that I'm the only thing that you see. But you could always unpin the video whenever you're done just looking at one video. All right, another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is what you can do while I'm sharing my screen. So I'm going to share my screen right here. And I'm just in our classroom. So what you can do is you can go up to the top and click view options, and then you can check mark this side by side mode. That makes it to where these videos are over on the side and you get to see what I'm sharing too. So if you want to be able to see just me while I'm talking, you can pin my video. And so while I'm presenting things on the screen, you can also see what I'm doing on my screen. All right. I'm going to stop sharing. All right, another thing I want to talk about is the mute and unmute. You want to make sure that you always stay muted unless I call on you. So when it's muted, it looks like this with a red line through it. And then also you have your video. So if your video is on, it looks like this. And if you stop your video, it has a red line through it, just like the mute button. Also, another feature that we haven't talked a lot about is the chat feature. If you have something super duper important and for some reason I'm not seeing that your hand is up, you can always type in here and say, "Hey, Miss Ashley, I have a question." And then I can see that you have a question and I can call on you as soon as I have an opportunity. All right, so that's it.